Hey, this is a review for a mousepad because I just got this on Amazon and I haven't tested all of it yet, but I must say I'm already really liking this mousepad because I must admit I'm a bit of a noisy gamer. Whenever I get upset, I like to express my anger by hitting stuff, and most of my friends know this. I'll yell out, I'll scream, I'll be like, oh, bullshit, oh, humbug, whatever. And so I bought myself this mousepad because not only will this protect my wrist, but I can beat the ever-loving Christ out of it, and it will not let up. Also, the actual mousepad, you hear that? You got that nice little sound effect. Whenever you fucking feeling shitty, you could just be like, hey man, check out my mousepad. Anyway, it seems pretty good. The tracking seems to be pretty good. I can make very small, minute movements, and it will be just fine. And anyway, I just wanted to make a quick review on the mousepad. It seems to be already making my wrist feel a little bit more at ease, because what I used to do is I used to have one mousepad and then another one up here. Didn't work out too well, but now I got this nice, relatively wide mousepad with a gel cushion that I can still beat the Christ out of and not have as much noise as, or, so you know, it's a bit better. You still get a little bit of shaky shakes with this, but yeah. Anyway, that's all I wanted to say. Also, this keyboard sucks. Don't get this one. It was a cheap rainbow keyboard on a fucking Amazon. It's not good. At least for Stepmania. It sounds really nice. It sounds beautiful, but it's not a good keyboard. Anyway, yeah. There you go. Thanks for watching my shitty channel. Maybe I'll upload more stuff. I don't fucking know.